slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Alright, it's always something with these cars. So as you can tell, spark plugs are out. The coil packs are over here. What's up, Tally? Damn, dude, I need to comb you. So yeah, the spark plugs are out. The car was idling really funny. It was backfiring whenever I was at anything over 22 pounds of boost. Yeah, it was running really bad. So I was questioning as to what could have happened. I mean, I had not done anything to the car besides drive it and enjoy it. But then I realized that I did do one thing that was more than likely the culprit, and that was this. So yeah, the whole anti-lag, rolling anti-lag, all that stuff's apparently really bad for your spark plugs and a lot of other things of the car, which I was not aware of, unfortunately, but I had to learn the hard way. And it's not that big a deal, right? I mean, spark plugs are gonna go out. Now, as you can tell, they're really dark. They're all fouled. Got some new ones here. I got them all gapped up here with my little gap tool. So just an FYI for you guys, if you guys don't have one, if you guys are using those little ring key thingies, ditch that, get yourself one of these. These are like 20, 30, I think they're like $30 with this thing on Amazon, and that way you can get the exact measurement for each spark plug. It's pretty simple. All you do is put your spark plug here, and then you just crank it down, tighten it until you get the proper size. Very nice and convenient. I just recently got this. I wish I had this like 10 years ago. But yeah, so now let's get these babies installed. Oh man, I got a mess. I need more room. That's actually the reason why I got all these Supra headlights over here. The tail light headlights right there. I'm sure you guys can see that. I'm trying to sell all this stuff, get rid of it. I need more space. If I had space, I would keep all that stuff and just do some projects with it, but that's not the case. These don't go that tight, you guys. Be careful when you're tightening on aluminum. All right, let's cross our fingers and hope this works. Let me get the keys. All right, fuel pump's primed. So the car hasn't been started in a few weeks, so the battery was running low. That's the reason it was cranking over so slow. But definitely a lot smoother than before. I think that might have fixed the issue. I'm gonna let the car warm up and then see how it does. All right, so unfortunately, I don't think my issue is fixed. So it's probably not the spark plugs, and I broke something else. These damn cars, man. So I'm gonna show you guys can see it. Here, let me get you guys closer to this. You guys see that? You see the air fuel ratios, they're all over the place. Vacuum's going up and down. You guys can see how the car is not idling consistently. And before, when I would rev it, the RPMs would come back to idle perfectly. Now it seems like it's struggling. Check it out. You guys saw that? You see how low it went? It took a while to pick up. That should not have done that. Time to keep on researching, testing other things. I'm gonna check the IAC valve. I'm not sure, maybe something got loose there. I'm not really sure, but this is the game we play. All right, so I took the idle air control valve. I think that's what you call it, the IAC, and took it apart, cleaned it. It's all nice and clean. I do not think that's a problem, but hey, some nice clean parts never hurt anyone. So I'm gonna throw that back on there, turn it on. It does the same thing, which I'm sure it would. Then I'm gonna do like a smoke test. I'm gonna just blow smoke into the intake manifold through this line here and see if I can see any leaks. I don't know. One step at a time. That's what we do. Not expecting much, but we'll see. Yep, I already see it there. It's already messed up. Whoa. Well, that's a clear indication that that did not work. If not, probably made it worse. Checked for smoke. The only leak I found was from here. I blocked all that out, turned on the car. Still did the same thing. I definitely got a boost leak. Definitely have a boost leak here, but that didn't change the idle once I sealed all that. But the thing is that the car was tuned with that boost leak there, so something else is going on. Alright guys, so I'm still chasing this issue. I didn't find any vacuum leaks like I said earlier. But I'm gonna go drive it around. I'm gonna see if it's still cutting out on under boost, and if it is, I'm just gonna call it and just kind of keep on researching, see what happens. So the drivability is all there. The car still drives normal. It's just that it's idling lean. Sometimes it fluctuates, sometimes it doesn't. But I mean, the car drives just like always. Maybe the car's feelings are hurt since I haven't driven it as much as it wants to be driven. So I know with the Mustang, man, I swear the Mustang has feelings, because whenever I don't drive that car, it always gives me some issues. But when I drive it all the time, like if I drive it at least once, twice a week, I never have problems with that car. So yeah, I get off the gas and it goes back to idle perfectly. Just idles a little bit lean. See, but now it's not even fluctuating. Now it's idling perfect. I don't know what the hell's wrong with this car. Maybe I just need to drive it more. Let's see if it cuts out. Yeah, still cutting out. Wasn't bad. It like cuts out and it comes back in, so I'm not sure what it is. See, and look at that. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it's breaking up at 22, about 24 pounds of boost. The same thing I did last time, 24 pounds. All right, I'm gonna do like a first gear. Let's say one of you guys were calling me out for a 20 roll. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys the Antilag. Woohoo! Yeah, this motherfucker goes. Oh man, God, as much as I hate working on these cars, man, that right there makes up for all of it. Oh God. All right, you convinced me. I'll fix you. You got me. I'll get you fixed up and we'll be back like if nothing ever happened. Oh man, Supras. All right, we made it. For those who stayed this long to watch the video, I will go ahead and tell you that I ended up deciding to build this car significantly. So we're gonna go for 1,000 horsepower. I actually already have the head package. Everything for the head is rated for like 1,300 horsepower. So we're gonna make some serious power. The only thing that I'm not too sure of right now is the block, whether I'm gonna build it or push it to its limits and see what happens. But I got a new turbo manifold. I'm gonna build a 4-inch downpipe, so I might get rid of that turbo. I'm not sure. Still going back and forth on that because I really like the way that one spools up. So basically, as soon as I get my Supra back, I'm dropping this one off. I'm switching them out. So yeah. Anyways, you guys, I missed all of you guys. I really hope most of you guys leave me a comment because I love going through the comments. So hopefully now I can get back into a somewhat normal schedule. I've said that forever, so you know what, I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm just gonna do it and see what happens. But appreciate all of you guys, all the new subscribers that are here. Thank you guys so much. I know I haven't posted anything, but yeah, you guys subscribe, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it, and I'll let you guys go. Have a good day. Bye.